Okay, so this was one of the most missed questions from last night's problem set, the 15 to 30 on the non-calculator part of the 2016 exam. This one, I'll be honest, is going to be right on the border between what they can ask and can't ask this year. It kind of focuses on Taylor polynomials, but it also deals with some power series work that's right outside the scope of Taylor polynomials. I still think it's doable for us, so we're going to talk through it. So this says if the fourth degree Taylor polynomial for f about x equals 0 is used to approximate f of 1/2, what is the alternating series error bound? So if it's the fourth degree, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look what term that would be. Alright, so I've got n equals 1. If I plug a 1 in there, I have an x to the second. If I plug a 2 in there, I'm going to have an x to the fourth. So when n equals 2, I'm actually at my fourth degree Taylor polynomial. So my error bound is going to be given when n equals 3. Alright, so I'm going to go one more term past. So when n equals 3, I have negative 1 to the 3 plus 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 factorial. Then I'm going to have my 1/2, the x value that we're estimating, alright, raised to the 2 to the n, so to the 6th. Alright, that is actually going to be my error bound. Alright, so I'm going to clean it up a little bit. And we're always looking at absolute value when we talk error. So in the top, I'm going to have a negative 1 to the 4th, which is just 1. I'm going to have a 1 to the 6th, which is just 1. So I have a 1 in the top. In the bottom, it looks like I have 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 1, which is 7. So I have a 7 factorial. And then I have a 1/2 to the 6th. So I'm going to have a 2 to the 6th in the bottom. Alright, so it looks like out of our choices, that is going to be choice C. Alright, and that would be our correct answer for this particular problem. Again, we're just looking for the next term past the term that we're currently at. So we're at the fourth degree. The degrees on this are always even. So we're going to have to go actually all the way up to the 6th degree term to get our next term in the alternating series. Hope that helps. Thanks.